Hello YouTube family and welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in today's video we'll be diving into the future and discussing how to make the year 2024 a truly exceptional one. And in today's video, if you're ready to actually make the year a very good one, then you've come to the right place. So let's get started. So let's reflect on how the year 2023 went for us all. So yeah, we all have our memories, we all have the good and the bad times. It's actually meant to make us completely. It's very important in every single person's life. But then you have to review how the year 2023 went for you. Either it was actually a depressing one or even a very happy moment. You had a lot of memories, you had a lot of achievements. That's the very first thing we need to look at. A lot of you all out there must have achieved a lot of nice achievements, and then a lot of people must have passed through a lot during this last year. But then this is 2024, and now that's the very first thing you want to reflect on. After you've reflected those things, you just want to review them and see, okay, what was the effect of this particular event? What exactly did it make me become, or what exactly did I gain from this particular lesson in the year? So that's the very first thing you all want to do. Okay, so once you're done with that, next thing you want to do is to look at how to improve on those things. If you actually achieved a lot of things, probably you won an award, or you became times 5 more richer, or you learned a lot of skills in the last year, you want to use this particular year to even work more on it. You want to improve yourself, you want to make yourself a better person. If you're someone who's actually interested in learning a lot of skills, probably you're good in photography, you're good in video editing, or you're good in business, whatever skill you're good in, you want to use this particular year to actually make it a whole much more. Okay, so now I always say something to a lot of people I meet out there. A lot of us are actually blessed with a lot of skills already. All you want to do is to look at yourself, look at what exactly am I really good in, what is that particular thing I don't see as a stress in my life, no matter how hard it might seem. That's the very first thing you want to do. In case you're worried, you don't know what exactly your direction is, you want to ensure that you know the exact thing that you actually have interest in. And if you're the type that is actually multi-skilled, probably you can do a lot of things, you can do a whole lot of things, then the best thing you want to do is to sit down, write down all those things you feel you're very good in, and then you want to analyze the one that is actually very good for you and the one that people around you actually need, and as well as what can actually bring that income for you. Okay, so that's what you want to do. But then if you're someone who already has a skill or already has an interest and you don't just know how to start, well, use this year 2024 to actually reflect on how to improve on that and how to even build more on that particular interest. Another very important thing you all want to do in this year is by setting meaningful goals. Okay, you want to ensure you're setting realistic and meaningful goals in this year. If you're someone who's actually interested in real estate, you're interested in gaining skills, you want to ensure that you write it down. Okay, I want to gain this particular skill, I want to gain this in the next 6 months. You want to ensure you do that, because writing actually makes it more realistic. Okay, and once you've done that, you want to reflect on it every single day. Okay, how am I going? How is the process going? Am I actually going to achieve this? You want to review every single day and keep on pushing hard and hard. A very important thing in this life is, once you understand that no one is going to come save you, then that's when you actually become what you're meant to become. Okay, no one's actually going to save you. You're the one who's going to make the decision, you're the one who's going to put in all this hard work, you're the one who needs to put yourself in those hard times, those sleepless nights, those stressful nights, and where you keep on working hard just to achieve that particular goal. You're the one who's going to do it, no one else is going to do it. Okay, so that's another very important thing you want to do. You want to ensure you set meaningful goals, and then you can as well reflect on them daily, weekly, monthly, to see how you're actually doing. Another key thing you want to ensure you're doing in this year is you want to ensure you have a positive mindset. It's very key in your entire life. You need to have that positive mindset, because with that positive mindset, no matter what you're going through, you'd always believe, don't worry, it's the process, don't worry, it's the process, you're gonna make it, you're gonna achieve that particular thing, no matter how stressful, no matter how hard the work you put in is. Once you have that positive mindset, no matter how stressful your life might be, no matter how someone actually tries to irritate your life, you will always scale through. And another very important thing you need to have is a mentor. Okay, you need to have someone supporting you. If it's going to be your family member, you want to have that support. It's actually very key in achieving a very good year, achieving your targets, achieving your your goals. It's very key to have a support system. And another very important thing is self-care. Okay, you want to ensure you take care of yourself. It's very important. No one's gonna do this for you. It's always you versus you. Okay, once you feel you're not feeling okay concerning a particular thing, you want to ensure you're not going against yourself. Okay, once you're not okay with something, you want to ensure you prioritize yourself first. Okay, it's very important in terms of self-care, mental care, mental health, your physical health, psychological health, and so much more, self-care activities. It's very important for you to prioritize yourself first. Okay, and now lastly, in order to conclude every single thing I have been saying from the start, this is the new year, this is 2024. This is another opportunity God has given you to bring out the best He has actually blessed you with. So you want to use this year, you want to sit down, write down what exactly you want to achieve in this year, the long-term goals, the short-term goals, and in fact you want to even ensure that your goals is actually very big, that even if you tell someone, they'll be like, nah, it's not possible. Your goal must be a type of goal that would actually shock people. Okay, and then you want to push hard until you achieve this particular goal. So yeah guys, that's basically all you want to have, that positive mindset. You want to ensure you prioritize your self-care, you want to ensure you have a mentor, and at the end of the day, I'm telling you, if you have all this set in place, you're definitely gonna have a brand new blessed 2024. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful to you all. If it surely was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and also give this video a like, and also share out with all your friends and families. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.